Okay, class 7 moral science. So let's just go to the exercises. The first exercise we have is write true or false. So let's read the first question. Discipline and obedience help us to form an attractive personality. So answer is true. Self-discipline is the killing of one's emotion. Answer is false. Disciplining oneself is curbing one's freedom. So that is true. Management of time is an important factor of discipline. True. Watching television for long hours is a disciplined action. So that the answer is false. So you take the next page. We'll go to the filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. The first question. Dash is responsible for the imbalance in nature. So Dash is responsible for the imbalance in nature. So what is responsible? So you find out at least one answer. You should read from the book and find out the answer. Okay, second question. To achieve happiness, one must control the dash emotions and temperaments himself. Third one, self-discipline can remove the weaknesses of a character. Fourth one, to achieve success in life, self-discipline is indispensable. Fifth, while playing a game, you must obey all its rules to get pleasure. So that is filling the blanks. Now let's just discuss the question answers. The first question is, what happens when we do not follow the laws of nature? What happens when we do not follow the laws of nature? So we have it here in the first, the page number 11. So there it is given. It upsets the balance of the nature. See here. It upsets the balance of the earth and results in calamities like earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, etc. So that is the answer for the first question. Now come back to the second question. In what ways does self-discipline help you? In what ways does self-discipline helps you? In the same page we have here, self-discipline is the ability to control one's feelings and overcome one's weaknesses. So it helps for that self-discipline. Now come back to question number 3. What are the 5 pillars of self-discipline? So I have already mentioned in the class and still it is there in your book. See here we have acceptance, willpower, hard work, industry and persistence are the 5 pillars of discipline. So that is the answer for question number 3. Now question number 4 we have, what happens if you do not have proper management of time? What happens if you do not have the proper management of time? So here we have the answer here, page number 12, last paragraph. Management of time is an important factor. So you read that paragraph and write the answer for the question number 4. Last question, how do games help us to become disciplined? So again we have here in page 13, first paragraph, C. playing a game, obeying all its rules. So in that paragraph we have the answer for the question number 5. So I hope all of you got the answers for the question and answer. You will be able to write if you just read the book a number of times. So all the best. Good. Thank you all.